Advance the probe through the opening in the tendon sheath from the site of the laceration to the site of the proximal tendon. Hold the probe near the opening of the tendon sheath to avoid buckling of the probe. Pull the probe through the proximal incision. The plastic sleeve should protrude from both incisions once in place. Cut across the full thickness of one leg of the sleeve obliquely. The leg that has not been cut is then removed from the digit, leaving a single sleeve in place. The proximally retracted flexor tendon stump is sutured. The needle is to be kept on the suture. The free end of the suture is introduced into the open end of the needle carrier to about 4 to 5 centimeters. Then the entire body of the curved needle is introduced into the carrier section, gently curving the carrier section to preserve the needle tip. The probe is threaded through the plastic sleeve from the proximal to distal incisions and removed at the distal incision. The needle and suture are released from the needle carrier. With gentle traction applied to both ends of the suture, introduce the proximal tendon stump into the sleeve, guiding it through the cavity and to the distal wound. The sleeve is then removed from the distal wound. The two stumps can now be connected with the same needle and suture material.